am glad to say that because of the recent rains, the position of wheat supply seems to have improved somewhat, but rice continues to be scarce and I am afraid will remain so. This is not because we do not want to get rice, but rice is today a scarce commodity in the world market. I should like to take this opportunity to appeal to the House to try and understand the situation and to explain difficulties to the people in making rice available to encourage the increased consumption of whatever other food grains may be available and to accept the principle of common sharing and equality of sacrifice. The surplus states must part not only with what they can easily spare, but even over and above that, even if it affects the consumers. Para, dear sirs, we shall be obliged if you will arrange to have your premises ready for our inspector, Mr. George, on Monday morning next, when he will call at 10 o'clock. It will be necessary for him to report in full to us before we can reply to your inquiries. It is unlikely that any difficulties will arise, but we are compelled to make sure of details. We have no hesitation in promising that we will do our best for you and that we will give you the full benefit of our wide experience and expert knowledge. We have asked our inspector to let us have his report by first post on Tuesday, upon which day we will endeavour to forward our suggestions, etc. to you. Para, we are pleased to receive your appreciation of work that we carried out for you in July last. The plant installed then was the most up to date in the country. It is still the most up to date, and although the capital outlay was considerable, the expenditure was advisable. Unfortunately, too many manufacturers foolishly sacrificed efficiency for false economy. We always base our advice on what ought to be done, not what can be done for a specified amount, and leave our clients to ask for modification. We recall our policy because we hope that you will bear it in mind when you hear from us concerning the proposals. Yours faithfully,